Hello, today is going to be part two of a series, and I'm going to use the same actual picture with different wording on it that I did from the first video. So you need to look for that picture, and then you know you're in the right series. So for those of you that don't know, this is Taylor or Tay, and today I'm going to do a video on tabletops, which are camp tables, and coffee, tea, or water pots that I use. I have no sponsors. Everything that you see in the videos is mine. So there are two different tables I want to show you. I've used them extensively, and you've seen them on other videos. This is the top. This is the bottom. I like this because it folds small, and it also has multiple heights. So this is the low height, and it also has another height, which is the one I usually use. And that is simply done by unlocking the legs. This is the tall height. There's table one. Actually, I'm going to use it to show you table two. Table two is a rock cloud. It comes like that. Just put those there. There's the top. And they just clip in like that. So it's all clipped in. So those are the two tables I use. It's got a cute decal on it. But yeah, so now I'm going to show you the coffee makers, or water pots, or tea makers. Anyway, it is metal, so it is heat resistant, which is a really awesome thing. This lives in the car all the time because I use it for making coffee. First is a small electric kettle. I burned up my last one. I used it too much. And this one, it's going to be used with my power supply in my car when I'm actually on the road. It has a retractable cord, which is nice. It stores well. So retractable. Very similar to the tea kettles I use in the house. And it has a really good suction on the top. And it's stainless steel inside. This is the little Fire Maple available on Fire Maple's website. And this, it's a French press. This particular model by Beka, and if I'm mispronouncing it, I'm sorry, but that's the way it's spelled, is currently unavailable online, but they do have another model of it. It's double-walled, it's dishwasher safe, it's a French press. This is a perfect time for me to say thank you to all my recent and my past subscribers. I really do appreciate that, and I really, really appreciate your comments, questions, and suggestions. So I carry a little box that has green tea, English breakfast, and also instant coffee, which instant coffee could be horrible, but when you're in a rush or it's first thing in the morning and you haven't gotten around to the French press, this is fine. The one drawback I have with this is the handle gets very, very hot. Yeah, don't do this at home, folks. My trusty power supply. This is a 1,000 watt. It's not strong enough, but it's strong enough for everything I do. If I had a wish list, I would want the 1,500 watt. Like I said, it's got a really strong seal on it. Makes about 4 cups of water. I just lost, oh, there it is. Yeah, just if you're using one of these, want to use a glove, you can have it immediately. Or if you give it about 5 minutes, it cools off enough that you can handle it. That's it for today, and hopefully you enjoyed the videos. If you like a series like this, my next one is going to be, I think, on some of the gear that was in my canvas bag. I've been asked by a few people to show more of how the tarp clips are used, and I also am adding bungee cords to it, special bungee cords. Join me next time, and again, thanks for watching.